This meditation is energy grid healing and restoration. I've been using moqui pebbles, or if you're lucky enough to have boji stones, you can use boji stones. You place the large one at the root chakra, and female at the crown. If you haven't got either of these, you can use wands. You can use selenite wands or quartz wands, and with the points up facing towards the body. On the heart chakra, I've been using a nice little Lemurian seed crystal. If you haven't got one of these, you could use, again, you can use a clear quartz point, or better even still would be a double terminated point that you can put on the heart. The idea is of balancing the energy through the whole energy system. So if you want to get your crystals together, you will also be lying down for this meditation with the soles of your feet together, so you're forming a diamond shape on the legs. This helps relax the body as well and gets the energy flowing. It's a good way of releasing excessive negative energy as well. So if you lie down with your crystals, place first crystal down by your root chakra. If it's a point, then have it pointing up. Place your other one by your crown. Again, if it's a point, have it pointing down. And your last crystal on your heart chakra. And just put your arms out, relax to the side. And close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold. And breathe out through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose. Hold. Breathe out through the mouth, relaxing a little deeper. Inhale. Hold. Breathe out deeply, relaxing. And just allow your breath return to normal. And then just focus your attention on the crystals, crystal line on your heart, crystal below and above. And just take a moment to connect with them. And if you like to work with your crystal guides or whoever you're comfortable working with, you can call them in now to aid and assist in this healing. And just bring your attention back to the crystals. Bring your attention to the sensations within the body. Do not analyze anything that you are sensing. Just be aware of them as just merely sensations that you are aware of. And place no judgment. Just allow everything as it is. Known as you lie here, and with each breath and as each moment passes, those crystals are realigning your energy system, removing blockages, allowing the energy to flow freely again, in harmony. You don't have to do anything here. Just keep your attention on the crystals and your attention on your own body in this space, in this moment. And as your mind drifts, as it will do, just bring it back to the body, back to the crystals, and allow the healing to take place. No judgment. Now leave you here for 10 minutes to relax and allow the healing to take place. You can also do this at night time before sleep. If you are, you can switch off now and drift into a sleep afterwards. If not, I will call you back in 10 minutes. Now is the time to come back and allow this healing to be complete. Knowing that your energy system is being cleared, realigned. Knowing nothing can hide in the darkness when you shine your light upon it. Just bring your awareness back fully to your body lying on the floor, the crystals around you. If you wish, you can stay here for longer. But just remember to remove first now the crystal from your heart chakra before you get up. So just take a final deep cleansing breath in deeply into the nose and out through the mouth. Just move your fingers, move your hands, and when you're ready, just open your eyes and take a moment. And when you're ready, you may get up slowly, taking your time. If you're finding these meditations beneficial, then please repost. Thank you.